Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. Okay, so basically what I am doing at the moment, we are running a loop and that loop will run till 6, and what I'm doing at the moment, console.log index. Alright, so it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I want to do is I want to skip the second index from this loop. So for that we can use the continue keyword. If index is triple equal to 2, then just assign continue. Alright, then you will notice then it has written 0, 1, and then it has skipped 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. So this is what the continue was. And what if you want to break the loop? So for example, if you are matching any condition and your condition has been fulfilled and you want to break the loop, you don't want the JavaScript to run till the end of your array or whatever you are assigning inside the loop. So for that you can use break element. So for example, if I come over here and write if the index is triple equal to 4, then break it, then you will notice that it has just written 0, 1, 2, 3. It did not run toward 5 and 4. So these are the two keywords you can use to skip or break a loop. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.